Shiba Inu Coin is creating something groundbreaking. Here's what it is. What is going on, guys? Kyle the Finance Bro here. Welcome back to another video, guys. Before we get into this article and the overall analysis that I'm about to do on it, make sure to like this video and make sure to comment down below if you guys are still holding Shiba Inu, if you like the coin, if you dislike the coin, how many tokens do you guys have? I want to know it all. I want to know all your guys' thoughts and opinions down in the comments below, so make sure to leave them down there. Also, if you guys want to pick up a free stock and start trading Shiba Inu, you guys can hit the link down in the description below, the first link I might add, for public.com. Public.com is like a social media service for investing. You guys can follow your favorite investors on there, and including us, and see all of our portfolios live as they are updated, guys. You can see when we buy something, when we sell something. You can see when we're talking about stuff. You guys can see it all down in the description below when you hit that link and sign up. And then when you deposit $1, also you guys get a free stock with our link that could be worth up to $70, guys. And it's usually a great selection of companies: Apple, Google, Amazon, Facebook, Tesla, all of those big kind of blue chip names. Plus, you guys can start trading Shiba Inu like I mentioned before, because they are on that platform now. And of course, it's just a great way to get some free money. So hit the first link down in the description below. But let's talk about this, guys. So this is a very interesting Watcher News or Watcher Guru article that talks about ShibaNet. And you're probably wondering, what's ShibaNet? What is that? I don't think I've ever heard of that. Again, we had never heard of that until we actually did some research on it, and it's very, very interesting. So we're going to talk about this article and we'll get into it. So what is ShibaNet? Complete details about Shiba Inu's upcoming decentralized marketplace revealed. Let's read a little bit forward. So the Shiba Inu ecosystem is growing bigger by the day, and as each month a new development is taking place. Among all the developments, Shiba Inu ShibaNet would be a major game changer to the token's prospects in the coming future. Shib's founder Ryoshi visions and foresight is making the token head towards the right direction and is achieving it. Among all the meme currencies out in the market, Shiba Inu is adding real-world use cases into its bag. The development is making the token stand at the crossroads of opportunity, and that would comfortably sit at a better position next year. Shib would reward early investors handsomely with a fistful of dollars, and when its price propels further past the developments that are released. So here, that kind of just is a nice little primer on basically what the vision of Shiba Inu is, I guess. Again, kind of a weird part to put in the article, but the next part, this is actually kind of going to give us a definitional standpoint. What is ShibaNet? This is the complete details about Shiba Inu's project revealed. So the new and up and coming ShibaNet is a much awaited development in the crypto world. ShibaNet is a decentralized marketplace that allows users to buy, sell, and trade goods using the in-house Shiba Inu ecosystem. Satoshi Kasama, the project lead of the Shib, spoke about ShibaNet in his Medium blog in July 2021. Kasama titled the blog Shiba Inu Phase 2. He writes, "A financial institution is only good as the consumers and businesses that utilize their financial instruments." He also added a quote from Miyamoto Masayami, I'm sorry if I'm mispronouncing that, at the start of his blog: "You must understand that there is more than one path to the top of the mountain." Firstly, the best thing about Shiba Inu or ShibaNet is that it will run on the Shibarium layer 2. Secondly, it allows users to skip the high Ethereum gas fees that are currently plaguing the cryptocurrency payments sector. Third, there is just a surface to ShibaNet, and the team did not reveal complete details about it. Okay, so that's kind of a complete recap, and then the rest of here, it's like, in conclusion, the upcoming developments will make Shiba Inu a stable coin in the market and reward investors with better returns, while the complete specifics about ShibaNet are not out. Kayasama did give us an update on how it will work, and again, the update is here. As you can see, this is the kind of Bitmark hat that recently happened. We posted a video about that yesterday, but let's talk about ShibaNet, guys, because I think this is really important. I want to break down some of my thoughts and my opinions about it. Number one, let's talk about this. So the fact that ShibaNet is going to be a decentralized marketplace, right? As you can see here, it's in the title, right? That's what we talked about. So a decentralized marketplace. What does that mean exactly for the future of this coin? Well, we know that decentralized marketplaces have been an overwhelming success with other larger cap coins. So we know that this is something that is definitely demanded by the people, number one. And number two, we know that this is something that the community could really take advantage of. Again, having a marketplace where people can buy, sell, trade, whatever it is they want to do with certain goods using the Shiba Inu ecosystem already, whether it's using Shiba Inu coins as payment, whether it's using stake or bone, or not stake or bone or leash for the other kind of things that they want to do in the ecosystem. Again, I think that is a very cool feature. And the fact that it is all kind of already baked into that is also another big plus. Now, what seems to be very interesting about this, though, is the fact that the bottom part says, in conclusion, the upcoming developments will make Shiba Inu a stable coin in the market. What does that mean? Because, okay, so Watcher News is kind of, I think, speculating here, obviously, and they're kind of making a statement maybe beyond what they have read already so far. And basically what that means is if Shiba Inu is a stable coin, right, this is a coin that all of a sudden no longer fluctuates in value, right? It really just keeps a very tight, not really fluctuating value. And then what we will more than likely see is an interest rate, right, paid out to its users. We're seeing returns, who knows how high or how low they will be, paid out to users on a daily, monthly basis. However, wow, guys, I'm sorry. My voice is like just dead today. Anyways, I think the way we will see that is interest payments, however the interest schedule is set up, whether it's APY, APR, whatever it is, paid out to the holders of the coin on a semi-frequently basis, whatever that is, right? And again, that's a pretty big deal, the fact that they are kind of announcing that, guys. Stable coins are extremely popular in the cryptocurrency market because they're, well, stable and they offer a yield typically higher than any savings account would offer you, and usually fee free, right? Because again, you're dealing with different types of fees if you have a bank account with any kind of given bank. So what's very interesting about this is that seems to be the future that they are pushing forward. Now, what remains to be seen is how that's going to work exactly. If the Shiba Inu coin itself is still going to remain the main kind of focus of the community, the main focus of the project, because again, if that becomes a stable coin, which I really don't think it's going to become a stable coin, because if that were the case, then the price would likely start to either stabilize completely, and we would see no fluctuation in price. We would see no, push towards all these price targets that we see. So if anything, I think they might create a new, type of coin that would do this, that would effectively, something new to the ecosystem that would effectively inhabit that kind of role. But again, that remains to be seen. Now, again, the other thing they talked about here, and I want to see if I can find it again, most of it is kind of Kasama just kind of reflecting, it seems like, on most things. He talked a little bit about Shibarium Layer 2, which obviously will pretty much eliminate Ethereum gas fees, which is like one of the biggest drawbacks right now with using any cryptocurrency for that matter as a payment source, right? That is one of the worst parts. And again, we know that Ethereum 2.0 is fixing that. They are fixing the gas fees. But again, it's still going to be a little bit before that ecosystem is released to the public. And I think if Shiba Inu can kind of get a timely manner, where they're like, all right, guys, let's get this out. Let's get this out to people. I think that would be a very big win for the coin and the overall ecosystem and, of course, the community as well. Guys, I want to know all your thoughts about this down in the comments below. This is a very complicated issue, and I think that you guys have some great takes and great opinions either way. So please let me know in the comments below what you guys think is going to happen. Let me know if I'm wrong, right? I always love to see if you guys have differing opinions to me, right? I would never be like, nobody tell me I'm wrong. I'm right about everything. Like, keep it respectful in the comments, of course. But, let me know if you guys disagree with me. I want to see it, right? Respectfully, of course. But again, I do think ShibaNet is going to be a very big catalyst coming up in the coin's near future. It's clear that there's a lot of developments going on behind the scenes that we might not all fully understand. Interesting little thing, guys. The first video that I made today, we talked about whales, right? We did bounce off the support level that we saw down here, and the whales are continuing to buy this token, which is a good sign. It means that there's something likely, again, it's not 100% confirmed, but likely coming in the near future. What that is exactly, how that's going to play out, remains to be seen. But again, I do think that we do have a lot of upside potential that is starting to build up in this token. And when that's going to play out, how it's going to play out, still remains to be seen. But I do think that the whales are continuing, or not, I know, we all know that the whales are continuing to buy at these levels. They're buying up here, they're buying there. They have been buying for the last couple of weeks. And when the whales typically start to buy at a super concentrated and frequent level, usually, not always, but usually there's some type of breakout that could be building that we don't know about, whether it's a market manipulated push by the whales or it could be something else. That was a video I talked about earlier today, guys. If you want to check that out, it's on our channel as well. If you guys haven't already, hit the link down in the description below for public.com. If you guys want to pick up a free stock with public.com, public.com, like I mentioned in the beginning of the video, it's a social media app, basically. You guys can see what other people are buying and selling in both the stock and the crypto markets. And when you use our link, guys, you get a free stock that could be worth up all the way to $70. And it's usually a great selection of companies, plus free money. That's another one. And you guys can start trading Shiba Inu as well on their platform as well, guys. So hit the link down in the description below. Do all that. Make sure to hit the subscribe button, guys, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a new video like this. But other than that, guys, that is all I have for you guys today. Let me know in the comments what your guys' thoughts are on all of this. But other than that, I'll see you guys later. I'm Kyle with Finance Bro. Take it easy.